So this is a tutorial looking at using Google Docs in the online classroom. I want to show people how I use Google Docs to get students to collaborate, a little demonstration. First, I'll talk about why I like it. And my main reason for liking using Google Docs as a collaboration tool is that you can see students typing live. So that means participation. Even if a student is typing slow and some students type fast, it doesn't matter because I have one document and they'll all be typing at the same time, and I can see if they're participating or not. I can see if they're understanding the material. I can see if they're not understanding material, making errors, and I can give them instant feedback. So, especially with the online classroom, since I have my microphone in their ear the whole time, I could give each student particular advice and suggestions. I also love how easy it is to get students to do it. I just literally go to the Google Doc, copy the link, paste it into the public chat. Students just click on it, and it instantly takes them to the doc, and it looks like this. So as you can see in the Google Doc, well, in this one, it's just a paper, but what I do is I put a little table in here, and I put the students' names and boxes so they can write. And as you can see, these are individual students typing live. And I can see, one student's typing faster. I can give them suggestions. I can scroll down, and I can look at my other students, see what they're doing. I can ask students that are not typing, hey, why aren't you typing? Let's go. I can again get feedback, and it's just a great way to get students to collaborate or to participate in the classroom. And if you would like to ask any questions on how it's done or any other questions, I'm more than welcome. Feel free to email me, kamal.r@gus.edu.kw, and we can uh, get it working for you. All right, happy teaching.